What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell to the bottom right and hit all. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. Okay, for this easy shakshuka, all you're going to need is 1 onion, 1 red bell pepper, 3 to 4 garlic cloves, 5 to 6 eggs, 4 raw tomatoes or 14 ounces of diced tomatoes, coriander, paprika, extra virgin olive oil, salt, black pepper, and ground cumin. This is going to be a beautiful and delicious dish. And without further ado, let's get to creating this, family. Okay, we're going to start off with our onion and we're going to cut these into halves. Yes. Now we're going to move over to our bell pepper, family, and we're going to cut this down first. We're going to cut our sides. And then we're going to cut these into slices. And there we have it, our sliced red bell pepper. Now we're going to move over to our frying skillet and we're going to add 3 to 5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now we're going to add in our onion slices. Next, our red bell pepper. And we're going to go ahead and begin to cook this down, family. At this time, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of cumin, paprika, and coriander. And we're going to go ahead and mix this in good, family. Yes, and this smells beautiful. Nothing beats raw vegetables and great seasoning. Okay, at this time we're going to go ahead and add in a teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of black pepper, and we're going to go ahead and add in our tomatoes. And we're going to go ahead and give this a nice mix, family. And this is smelling great. At this time, family, we're going to go ahead and cover this for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, family, this is what we're looking at. Now we're going to go ahead and make a little circle inside of our shakshuka, and we're going to put our 5 eggs in today. I'm using 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, family. We're going to cover this back up for additional 10 minutes. And until then, quick facts. Where was shakshuka originated? Yemen. According to some food historians, shakshuka originated in Yemen, while others claim it came from Ottoman Empire. It is only known that to Israel the dish came from Northeast African cultures, and more specifically from the Libyan Tunisian region. Pretty cool. You learn something new every day. Okay. Yes, and after 10 minutes, family, this is what we're looking at. Shakshuka. Yes. You did this, and this is looking beautiful, family. Okay, at this time, we're going to go ahead and plate this up for you guys. And this is smelling great, family. I hope you guys do make this and try it out. Again, it will be hot, so I would let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes before serving. Okay, let's go ahead and dig in. I did cut it in half off screen, that way I can have my green screen background, but nonetheless, it's still going to taste great. Okay, here we go. Ow! This is beautiful, family, and I want to say thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell to the bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 5,000 Ddins. Until our next food adventure, peace.